Hey guys, welcome back to Melbourne Vibe. We're back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all guys that what all things you should bring when you come to Australia. Also, I hope you have checked out our website, that is melbournevibe.com, and you're following us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, because that's gonna be more pictures, more blogs for you guys about Australia. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This video, we have divided into two parts. First being that I'm going to tell you what are the things that you should bring in your carry-on, so that is 7 kgs and you don't put unnecessary in your carry-on. Also, second thing is that I'm going to tell you what are the essential things that you should bring from your country, so that you don't bring a lot of things which are not going to use here. In between, I'm going to give you a lot of fashion tips. So, stay tuned. Check it out. Let's get started with 7 kgs carry-on. Now generally you would be allowed to take 2 big bags, 1 carry-on and 1 laptop bag. Don't stuff a lot of things in laptop bag because they would check and they don't want anything else to be there apart from a laptop and a couple of books maybe. So in your carry-on, what you should take. So you can have around 7 kgs on your carry-on. Now these 7 kgs should have extremely important things. What are these things? First is that you should have at least 2 pairs of clothes. So a t-shirt, shirt and a short or pant. Apart from that, you should have your documents. Important documents, because this is what you're going to have with you while you're traveling on the plane. Apart from that, you should have your camera. If you're bringing any, just have a small camera because you're going to create amazing, beautiful memories here. Apart from that, have your passport. Obviously, you should have something in your hand wherein you have ticket, your passport and money with you. My dad told me not to have all the money at the same time, so I had some in my main luggage, some in my carry-on, some in my wallet. So I think that is really handy. Because a lot of people lose their luggage, you don't want to put all your money and gone. So just divide those money in whatever ways you want to divide it. Also, the flight is going to be pretty long, so it's better to have a book with you, because just in case if your phone dies, you don't want to stare at people. So just have a book, read that book and have fun. So just to list it down for you guys, it's 2 pair of clothes, couple of electronic items if you have any camera, laptop or iPad or anything that. Apart from that, you'll need your important documents, your phone charger, a book and underwear, just in case if you didn't take that. So let's dive into the bigger picture, that 20 kgs to luggage that you're going to bring and what you should get in those. So first of all, you should at least have 8 shirts. Shirts like this. So 4 formals, 4 non-formals. Non-formals for, partying, just wearing it shorts on the beach or anything like that. Apart from that, I would suggest get at least 10 t-shirts. 5 being the collared one and 5 v-neck or round neck that you need. So that is just for casual wear, whenever it's summertime or things like that. Apart from that, get at least 6 pens. 2 being formals, to wear with formal shirts, and 4 chinos or your jeans. Don't forget to get ripped jeans. It's a huge thing here. Similar rule applies to girls. Obviously, if you want, you can get less shirts and less pants and more skirts or more dresses, because you have that option to bring that. Obviously, in winter time, you can just pair it up with any stockings and then you would look really cool. Also, there are sales going all the time in H&M or Cotton On, so obviously you'll not run out of clothes. If you guys think that the clothes must be extremely expensive in Australia, well, you're not wrong. But that is only when you go to huge big brands. If you're going to Cotton On, Big W, Kmart, these are the places where you can get good shirts, t-shirts and pants and not at very expensive. Think about this shirt. How much do you think this would cost? It's $7. Well, you can find cheap clothes here too. So don't bring a lot of clothes. You can come here, see the fashion and buy it from here. Apart from basic shirt, t-shirt and pants, you definitely want to get sweaters and hoodies. Now don't take sweaters lightly. They bring the fashion on. Like, you have to get really classy sweaters because that's what you would be wearing on your shirts and that would look really cool. So always get good sweaters, at least 2 to 3, hoodie at least 1 to 2. I also had thermals because in July in Melbourne it goes around 2 degrees and 3 degrees, so I wore thermal, shirt and a sweater. In Australia also it randomly rains, so you definitely want to get your wind cheater or an umbrella or raincoat. Because you would never know. There are no signs. It'll just start raining. So keep those things with you just in case you need those. Once you come to Australia, you'll be very surprised to see how many countries people does Australia have. and people from all the countries get together and celebrate their own festivals. So if you're coming to Australia, don't forget to get your own traditional dress because you'll love it when all the people from your country will be wearing that. You'll also need to have one three-piece. Three-piece for career fairs or events like that where you actually have to dress up. Go to some parties where you have to wear three pieces, so don't forget to get at least a suit and a pant or three-piece. Also, I'm pretty obsessed with shoes, so I got 8 of those. But at least you need 4 shoes. One would be sport shoes. Other would be casual that you can wear with jeans. Third would be formals, that is black or brown, whichever you like. Or the other would be slippers, or in Australia they call it thongs. What a lot of students do is, when they come to Australia, they get heaps of utensils. Don't do that. Get the basics because you'll be very surprised because you can get utensils starting from $5 at Kmart. So get the basics and rest of them buy it from here. So you obviously have a little bit of toilet kit and first aid in your 7 kg carry-on. The rest of it, bring it in the main luggage. You will need to have prescription for your first aid just in case if authorities asks you. Otherwise that is pretty much fine. So bring rest of the things in your luggage and you should be fine. I recommend bringing a lot of snacks with you like Maggi or biscuits or whatever you like. Because in first couple of days you would be jet lagged and you would be roaming around the city because you would obviously want to see the city you're going to live in. So snacks can get you through a couple of days till the time you learn cooking. I mean, I did not know how to cook, so I brought a lot of snacks. That get me through our 2 to 3 odd weeks. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Obviously, you will find stuffed parathas, all the things that you need in the Indian stores or your country's grocery stores here. So don't bother bringing a lot of things from your country. Hope you loved this video. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. A bonus tip for you. If you're bringing a lot of shirts, don't forget to get a denim shirt. It looks really cool here. That's actually a thing. So bring your denim shirt with you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and welcome to Melbourne Vibe.